Just irresistible, right? This is the mating call of male American alligators who are in search of lockdown love. The footage was filmed at the Alligator Lagoon at the Australian Reptile Park, who wrote, "You'd be forgiven for thinking that maintenance workers were starting up a chorus of lawnmowers this morning at the Australian Reptile Park as loud rumbles echoed through the park. In reality, it's the symphony of 20 massive male American alligators searching for love in lockdown." They added, "Things are heating up as the temperature rises. With the start of spring, the competition for female attention intensifies." He said that the 20 crocodiles are new arrivals and are settling in very well. He added, "Now, as they come out of hibernation, it's game on for the attention of a gorgeous female."